Every ethical process begins with respect for life and regulation.
Perimeter check complete. Panels nominal.
Copy. Proceed to gate for biometric activation.
Understood. Moving to gate now.
Precision protocols ensure safety for both animal and handler.
Data-driven decisions guide humane intervention.
Reversible sedation enables stress-free processing. Only documented ethical specimens enter processing. Temperature integrity preserves molecular stability. Chain of custody remains unbroken. Every scan ensures traceable flow. Sterile boundaries protect purity. Controlled cleaning ensures contamination removal. Purification preserves molecular integrity. Zero contamination handling ensured. Digital verification ensures accuracy. Controlled access maintains safety.
Non-invasive mapping preserves data.
Cryogenic stability locks molecular structure. Automation with human oversight. Triple redundancy ensures precision. Controlled environment handoff complete. Science-driven transformation begins. Controlled breakdown prepares material for refinement. Uniform sizing ensures consistent processing. Solvent interaction enables compound separation. Stability maintained through precision control. Density separation isolates target compounds. Solvent recovery preserves efficiency. Stability ensures product integrity. Controlled cooling forms structure. Final drying prepares refinement stage. Particle size standardization begins. Consistency ensures dosage accuracy. Precision dosing ensures safety. Surface refinement improves quality. Automated inspection ensures perfection. Safety validation completed. Protective sealing ensures stability. Packaging completed with traceability. Bulk preparation begins. Products ready for distribution. Organized storage begins. Shipment ready.
Shipment ready.
This is a full process overview of the warehouse system. Inventory is stored in tall shelving units and retrieved by forklifts. Conveyor systems and robotic arms sort items for packing. Finally, goods are dispatched from the shipping docks.
All right, that's the cycle complete.
Looks good. Let's log it and head out.
I'm ready. It's been a long one. Tell me about it. See you tomorrow.
Industrial scale highlighted. Thank you for watching.